What causes the clicking or tapping noise when the engine is idling? A clicking or tapping noise when the engine is idling can have various causes, ranging from normal to serious. Some of the possible reasons are low oil level or poor oil quality. If the oil level is too low or the oil is contaminated or has the wrong viscosity, the lubrication will be insufficient and cause friction and wear. This can result in a clicking or tapping noise as the metal parts rub against each other. To fix this problem, you need to check and change the oil and filter regularly and use the recommended oil type for your engine. Engine heat shield coming loose. Sometimes the heat shield can come loose due to vibration or corrosion and make a clicking or tapping noise as it hits the engine or other parts. For this, you need to tighten or replace the heat shield bolts or clips. Damaged timing belt or chain. If the timing belt or chain is worn, stretched, or broken, it can cause the valves to open and close at the wrong time, creating a clicking or tapping noise. To fix this problem, you need to replace the timing belt or chain as soon as possible, as it can cause serious engine damage if it snaps. Damaged or broken engine mount. The engine mount is a rubber or metal part that holds the engine in place and absorbs its vibration. If the engine mount is damaged or broken, it can cause the engine to move excessively and make a clicking or tapping noise as it hits the chassis or other parts. To fix this problem, you need to replace the engine mount with a new one. Damaged flex plate. If the flex plate is cracked, bent, or loose, it can make a clicking or tapping noise as it spins. For this issue, you need to remove and replace the flex plate with a new one. Damaged cooling fan clutch. If the cooling fan clutch is faulty, it can cause the cooling fan to spin too fast or too slow, creating a clicking or tapping noise. To fix this problem, you need to replace the cooling fan clutch with a new one. These are some of the common causes of clicking or tapping noise when the engine is idling. There may be other reasons that are specific to your car model and condition, so it is advisable to consult a professional mechanic if you hear any unusual noises from your engine.